Today's an exciting day. I'm taking Jod and Claude, the damn van, down to get some pop-outs put on. Jod and Claude, the damn van. And I thought I'd do a little documentation on gas mileage. So I'm filling up here in Gila Bend, 1472. And record the mileage. The mileage is 117, 252. So we'll see how much we use on the way to Yuma. Alright, we hit Yuma, and 8.536 gallons. That works out to be about 12 miles a gallon. Now, the wind was really strong. I think we were going into a pretty major headwind. So we're going to continue the experiment all the way to Santee, California, and we'll see what we get. Alright, next fill up, 13 gallons plus change. It was incredibly windy. They said that it was wind gusts up to 15 to 27 miles an hour. It looks like we're sitting at 17,526. So do the math on that. We arrived at Agile Off-Road, where we're going to get some flare sides put on. More on that.
Welcome to Phoenix.
Just sitting back. Back to San Diego. Gonna pick it up, see what those flares look like. Arrived at Agile Off-Road, and there the beast is. For pop-outs. It's coming around. Oh yeah. Nice. Looking good. Let's go check it out inside. From the inside, what it's looking like. It's pretty good. Pretty strong smelling glue that they used. Industrial. I like that. Cut off the track pieces on the top so I could fit it all in there. Alright, we got 11.24 gallons. And our mileage is 117,697. So I'll do some math there, put it up on the screen. We're in Yuma. 3 hours down, 3 to go. Just for the record. It has been pretty windy since I came over the pass from San Diego. Although it's looks like it's a little bit west, but it's mostly north. I have the van home now. Got my tape measure and made some measurements. I purchased a set of flares that aren't on the Flare Space website as of, I don't know, middle of May 2019. They might be up there now, but I wanted to give you some measurements. So from side to side in this back corner, this is the back of the van, from side to side, this is 80 inches down here in this corner. That's 80 inches, and then up here, over here, from this window sill to the windowsill on the opposite side, that's 78 inches. And this windowsill is 76 inches. So you lose 2 inches as you come forward. But interestingly, down here is 80 inches, over here is 79 inches. So you only lose 1 inch coming this way. At the top, I didn't really measure at the top because I'm not really, you know, heads are down here. I'm going to be sleeping down here. You know, heads and feet are at the bottom. They did not install the shades, but I have the shades. I'm going to put everything in and then see how the room looks. We might just go with a simple screen on these windows. So that concludes the flare side installation. Very good experience. They did a great job matching the paint, and super happy with the outcome. I'm going to, of course, insulate and frame these, but I'll show that on a later video.